Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. It's Friday. It's lead swap day. Every Friday, what you can do is you can request your 200,000 plus leads every Friday. So what you need to do, if you're watching this video on the internet somewhere, such as YouTube, you need to go to HarveySilverFox.com. Get into the platform here. Make sure you do watch this tour video. I have everything that you need to build your business. I have all the training tools, and I have all the software tools and the training. First thing you want to do is, of course, watch the tour video here. And of course, this is one of my new projects, Make Money with GoPro and YouTube. Work your way down here. This is for beginners and newbies. This is for you. If you're a newbie or beginner, it will not cost you anything. Click here. Now, we're going to come back to this, the free access to 2,000 leads here. We're going to come back. The live training room. I happen to be in the live training room right now. This is how you access the live training room. Buy abandoned domain names with instant name brand traffic from Google, Pinterest, YouTube, and Reddit. In fact, Marty and I the other day found a domain name that had 1,000 visitors going to it every day, and it was abandoned. All it cost us, actually, it cost us less than $15 to pick it up. This is how I'm going to rank this video. All the training, all the tools, everything that you need to rank your videos is behind this door here. If you're in the Bitcoin, there's all kinds of training and tools back here. Request your free sizzle call viral marketing system here. Here's a viral video downline builder marketing system. Doesn't cost you anything. Click here. Here's my detailed training course, 6-figure email profits. Make sure you go through this course. It's free. Affiliate marketing and ClickBank. If you're into ClickBank, you need to go through the training back here. Blogs, I actually show you step by step in a video training back here how to set up a blog. Can I build a free webinar for your best biz offer here? And here's more leads, got leads. In fact, there's a viral lead generating system behind this door here. Facebook marketing, I generate over 100 leads every day using the marketing techniques you're going to find here. Here's some Twitter marketing, find Twitter marketing tools, training, and profit ideas here. And work smarter, not harder. Autobot marketing right here. And of course, branding yourself. Here's the training, and here's some videos back here for you here. Now, we're going to come up here, and we're going to click through here. You gotta love it when everything times out, right? Click through here. And this is the video I'm producing right now. How to request your free 200,000 opportunity seeker leads, the lead swap leads. Now, if you want to access the 2,000 leads, click on this door here. And you're going to find the leads here. Now, make sure you do follow these instructions. Very important that you do follow these instructions right here, okay? Make sure you pay attention to the warning. In order to request your 200,000 plus opportunity seeker leads, of course, you're going to have to be a member of this platform here. So what I'm going to do is let you click here. So as soon as you join, go to the next lesson to learn how to request your 200,000 leads every week using our lead swap. So let's do that. And of course, here it is, coming soon. This video is going to be placed right here. So I'm going to pause this video and get set up. Every Friday, you're going to get an email from Reed here. And it'll say something like this: you're going to get this email because you've used either the PDF rebrander or submitted leads to the lead swap before. Today is the day for this week's lead swap, and you can find the instructions here. Please get into the leads by midnight Eastern time tonight. As a reminder, if you participated in a lead swap before, upload the leads since the last lead swap, and of course he gives you a timer here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and click through here and get this set up. So here's the Facebook group to request your leads. And I'm going to scroll down here. If you participated, here it is. Submit your leads here. And we're going to come back here after I submit the leads. I'm going to come back here, and of course, I'm going to come down here and let everybody know that I've submitted the leads, okay? So I'm going to click here. Like I say, he gives you step-by-step instructions. You can't really mess this up. Enter your best email address here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I have everything filled out. Now I'm going to go get the file and upload the leads. So let's go over to MyLeadGenSecrets here. I'm going to download the leads for the last week. I don't want to download all of them because, like I said, there would be a duplicate. So let's download. So we got one. It should be when I get done here, it'll be 1,400 leads because I get 200 leads a day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. All right. And I want to go down here, download my leads. Okay. And I'm going to save them to my Microsoft Excel. Save. And you can't see this, but up here on the right-hand side up here, in fact, let me pause. Right up here is the download. We're going to open it up. And I'm going to then get the file here. Let me pause again. So here's my downloaded file, so my downloads. And it really doesn't make any difference, but it looks like something like this. Okay. My leads here. Now I'm going to go back to that form where I can download those leads. Okay, so I clicked here, and here are the leads. Open. There they are. And submit. All right. Thank you for connecting with us. We will respond to you shortly. Please post in the group and let everyone know how many leads you are contributing this week. So let's go do that. So I'm going to post in the group. Just submitted 1,400 leads plus I made a live video of me doing that. Post. There we are. Okay, that's how simple this is. This is it. So like I say, I'm going to place this video right in this area here that I'm making right now. But over the last few weeks here, now I have over 1 million leads. This week here was 295, 306 here, and 318,000 leads here. And I can probably be guaranteed that I'm going to get around 300,000 leads next Monday. So you submit on Friday, and then Reed will send you out a file on Monday with, chances are, over 300,000 leads here. Okay, you know what to do. Go to HarveySilverFox.com, come down here and request your 2,000 leads. And then there again, if you want to pick up at least 200,000 leads every week, click here, join here, and then go here and watch the video I'm producing right now to learn how to request your 200,000 plus leads every week. That said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. Let's go make some money.